Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best snowboard bindings that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Burton Escapade Snowboard Bindings. The Burton Escapade Snowboard Bindings are an excellent match for soft to medium stiff snowboards and are designed for intermediate and expert riders. They provide good control and are comfortable and versatile. They use the Reflex mounting system and are compatible with current snowboard brands. They feature dual density EVA, which minimizes fatigue and puts your feet into a natural position. The B3 gel cushioning is durable and won't break down following multiple impacts. They also have hammock technology in the ankle strap and a kickback hammock high back and super grip cap strap for added comfort and response. Overall, they're very adjustable and one of the brand's most comfortable bindings. Up next is the Union Juliet Women's Snowboard Bindings. If you are an intermediate or advanced rider, you may want to consider the Union Juliet Women's Snowboard Bindings. The best things about these all-mountain bindings are they are affordable and provide a medium response with adequate dampness. They provide exemplary performance in various conditions and terrain and are adjustable, so they suit different riding styles. The bindings provide a stable connection to the board and deliver an immediate edge-to-edge response. Features include canted footbeds, Duraflex nylon base plates, and ExoFrame ankle straps, which are stiff, supportive, and durable. They have regular-sized mounting discs for instant board response and edge-to-edge power. Third up is the Union Milan Women's Snowboard Bindings. The Union Milan Women's Snowboard Bindings are available in small 4 to 6.5, medium 7 to 8.5, and large 8 to 11, and 3 different colors, so you're sure to find a pair that fits and matches your board style. These freestyle bindings have a loose truck feel and provide minimum binding to board contact. They are softer and more flexible than some competitor products and are ideal for mountain or park riding. They feature mini disc technology, which provides a more natural flex and freestyle feel. They include former ankle straps, which are comfortable, flexible, and padded. The bindings are also cushioned using fused vapor-tight, thermoformed EVA, and 4 bottom bushings, which reduce vibrations. Moving along, here we have the Union Trilogy Women's Snowboard Bindings. The Union Trilogy Women's Snowboard Bindings come in black, ash, powder blue, and rose in 3 different sizes. Users like these bindings because they are very responsive and can be used on various snowboards, making them quite versatile. These all-mountain bindings are great on the mountain, powder, park, and more. Performance-driven in all types of terrain, they have an immediate edge-to-edge response and provide a stable board connection. The 2020 model features an upgraded washer system to keep the ankle straps, heel loop, and high backs solidly in place instead of loose, which was an issue with older versions. To end with, here we have the Burton StepOn Women's Snowboard Bindings. The Burton StepOn Women's Snowboard Bindings are a great choice for beginner, intermediate, and expert riders, available in 9 different colors and in small, medium, or large. They are compatible with all modern snowboard mounting systems, including 4x4, 3D, and the channel. The best feature is that they are quick release and are very easy to use. They also have an excellent turning response with a medium flex. These bindings feature a Reflex 4-bed cushioning system that is comfortable and reduces foot fatigue. The StepOn boot to binding connection has 2 points of connection near the toe and heel for maximum performance. Since the base plate is a single component, the bindings provide a consistent response on various terrain. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.